Hi, I'm Wingus from Wingus and Dingus Garage. We've just mended something. So, what we're going to do here is the first drive of this completely ridiculous Crown Vic.
No hood at the moment. Cracked windshield.
Yep. No hood, cracked windshield.
Interior askew.
No exhaust after the cats. Fucking bitchin' hammer shifter. And a laptop. I don't think seatbelts are going to be necessary for this little trip. Reverse or neutral. I'm fairly certain that we are not doing the right thing here. Okay, that's... Hold on. Okay, that's park. Reverse. Ain't going any fucking where. This fucking torque converter might be bad.